Unboxing the Optoma ZU920TST by OfficeWonderland. The Optoma ZU920TST is the first of its kind projector packing 9,800 lumens of brightness with a built-in 0.65 to 0.75 short throw lens. It includes in the box Optoma ZU920TST projector, remote control, power cords for North America, South America, Asia, and Europe, one 6-foot HDMI cable, 5-year manufacturer warranty or 12,000-hour light source warranty, whichever comes first. This projector comes loaded with features: 9,800 lumen Duracore laser projector with up to 30,000 hours of lifespan, full motorized lens shift, 3 million to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, 24/7 hours of operation, integrated warping and edge blending processor, full 3D. This model is able to receive commands via Telenet, allowing for easy installation with Telnet-compatible control systems. Can produce a 300-inch diagonal image from as close as 13 feet 9 inches. The inputs and outputs are 12-volt trigger, audio in, mini jack, audio out, mini jack, HD base T, RJ45, HDMI 2.0 by 2, network, RJ45, RS232, DB9 pin, USB, VGA in, sub 15 pin. For more information, contact OfficeWonderland, your Optoma authorized dealer.